When you hear budget-friendly, you might picture a product that trims a few features but still holds its own against more expensive options. That's the sweet spot. We all look for a device that feels like a great deal rather than a compromise. Samsung's Galaxy Watch, FFA priced at $199, aims to be that affordable alternative to its flagship Galaxy Watch 7. But does it hit the mark? Well, not quite. At first glance, the Galaxy Watch FE looks like a winner. It's nearly identical to the Galaxy Watch 7, which costs $100 more. The design is sleek, modern, and lightweight, making it hard to tell the difference between the two watches from a distance. Both come with a durable sapphire crystal lens, the new one-click strap mechanism, and offer familiar features like activity tracking, notifications, and advanced health tools like EKG and body composition analysis. But here's where things take a turn. While it may look like the Watch 7, the FA is powered by hardware that's 3 years old. Underneath that shiny exterior is the same processor found in the Galaxy Watch 4, which launched in 2021. That's like buying a brand new car with a 3-year-old engine. It'll get you from point A to point B, but don't expect a smooth ride. One of the biggest letdowns with the Galaxy Watch FA is its performance. Swiping through screens and opening apps often feels sluggish, with a noticeable lag between actions. For a smartwatch released in 2023, this is disappointing. This lag raises concerns about how well the watch will handle future updates to Wear OS. Right now, it feels like it's already struggling, which doesn't bode well for longevity. If you were buying a refurbished Galaxy Watch 4 for half the price, this might be forgivable. But for a brand new device marketed as part of Samsung's current lineup, not so much. Battery life is another area where the Galaxy Watch FE falls short. With normal use, no power-saving mode, and the always-on display disabled, it manages about 18 to 20 hours of battery life. That means you'll be charging this watch every single day. For comparison, 40mm Galaxy Watch 7, while not a battery champ, can usually make it through a full day without much fuss. The FA, on the other hand, had me constantly checking the battery percentage and scrambling for a charger before heading out. Samsung did include power-saving options, which can stretch the battery life a bit, but it's not a game changer. You'll still need to keep that charger close, especially if you plan to use features like GPS tracking or continuous heart rate monitoring. On paper, the Galaxy Watch FA doesn't skimp on health features. You get EKG body composition analysis and all the usual fitness tracking metrics like steps, heart rate, and sleep monitoring. For many users, this is more than enough. However, it lacks a skin temperature sensor, a feature that's becoming more common in newer smartwatches. This omission might not be a deal breaker for everyone, but it's worth noting if you're someone who values comprehensive health data. Another thing you'll notice about the Galaxy Watch FE is its chunky bezels. In a world where smartwatch screens are getting bigger and bezels are shrinking, the FE feels a bit outdated in this department. It's not a deal breaker, but if you're used to edge-to-edge displays, it might stand out. Additionally, the Watch FE is only available in a 40mm size. If you prefer a larger watch face or have bigger wrists, you're out of luck. The Galaxy Watch 7, by comparison, offers multiple size options, giving users more flexibility. Let's talk about how the Galaxy Watch FE stacks up against the competition. When compared to Samsung's own Galaxy Watch 7, the FE feels like a step down in almost every way except price. The Watch 7 offers a newer processor, better battery life, and multiple size options, all for $100 more. Then there's the Apple Watch SE, which is a direct competitor in the budget smartwatch space. The SE may lack an always-on display and some advanced health features, but it delivers smooth performance and reliable battery life at a lower price point. Apple focused on providing a solid core experience with fewer features, and it works. Samsung, on the other hand, seems to have prioritized packing and features at the expense of performance. And that's where the FA falls short. A budget watch should feel like a smart buy, not a compromise. Samsung doesn't need to do much to make the Galaxy Watch FE a better value. A few tweaks could go a long way. Lowering the price from $200 to around $180 would make it far more appealing, especially considering its older hardware. Improving the battery life to match that of the Galaxy Watch 7 would address one of the watch's biggest drawbacks, making it more reliable for everyday use. Lastly, rather than cramming in every health feature, Samsung could focus on perfecting the essentials like smooth performance, longer battery life, and a high-quality display to create a more balanced and satisfying user experience. Right now, the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE feels like a missed opportunity. It looks great and offers plenty of features, but the outdated hardware and lackluster performance make it hard to recommend at its current price. If you're set on buying a Samsung smartwatch and are on a budget, consider looking for deals on the Galaxy Watch 6 or even a discounted Watch 7. Both offer better performance and more size options, making them a better value overall. In the end, a budget gadget should make you feel like you're getting a great deal. Unfortunately, the Galaxy Watch FE feels more like you're paying for a new label on old hardware. With some adjustments, future versions of the FE could hit that sweet spot. But for now, it's worth exploring other options.
While functional, it's overshadowed by the improved Galaxy Watch 7 and the more practical OnePlus Watch 2R at $230. For tighter budgets, the CMF Watch Pro at $70 is compelling, in our opinion. The Watch FE suits those set on Samsung but unwilling to wait for discounts.
So what do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.